Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on notification and status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the show battery percentage on status bar option. Let's tap on it. Now it is not displayed, so here we've got only the battery icon, but we can also choose inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, outside the battery icon, just tap on it, and as you can see, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery appears right next to the battery icon. Let's tap on it again and let's choose the inside battery icon, and the same situation, but now the percentage is inside the battery icon. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.